And in this video, we're going to look at how to send and receive things through Airdrop, which is Mac's way of sending files. It's really the most convenient way to send files if both participants have a MacBook, like all of our students and faculty do. So here's how you would send something. Let's just say I want to send a video. I'm going to go into my Finder. And then let's say I want to send a statistics video, maybe to a friend of mine or a colleague. Here, the shared button is always going to be this box with an arrow through. I'm going to click that. And one of the options is for Airdrop. And what that means is that any Mac that's in a distance from you or near you is going to be able to receive that file. So if you set this up, you'll see this message here. And if someone is able to receive this file, they will appear. So for instance, my iPad is within reach, so it will be able to be shared with it. Now what'll happen is, when this comes up on the other end, someone will get a message saying, hey, Tyler wants to send you a file, or someone wants to send you a file. So let's actually see what that looks like then from the other person's end. So imagine now you are the person receiving a file. What you'll do is you'll have to go to your Finder again, and you'll have a file for Airdrop. Now you want to be allowed to be discovered by everyone. So you'll select, instead of no one, you'll click everyone. And then anyone who sends you something will appear right here. So this now says that the iPad can send you files in Airdrop. So I'll send a file over, and this is what it'll look like from the receiving end. You'll notice that I had a quick sort of loading bar as it went around. And then if I click over here, I'll see in my downloads, this is the file that I actually just sent from my iPad to this computer. And then from here, you're able to save it. So let's say I want to go then into the downloads. I can then click and drag into my documents. And I can just save that video in my documents. You can see it here. So I highly recommend, especially if you're sharing videos or files within the MacBook, I highly recommend using Airdrop. It's the most convenient way for both people with Macs. Just make sure that you are allowed to be discovered by everyone. That's the big thing. And then anyone who wants to share something with you or is trying to share something with you should appear in this Airdrop folder. And again, if you ever want to share something with someone, always look for the box with the arrow going through it. That's how you would share certain items.